Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making this yummy and healthy instant Rava Idli. You can see it's very soft and fluffy and it looks just like the normal idli. I know you are hungry right now. This video is for
Hello everyone. Sometimes we will run out of idli batter. That time we will keep on what we will do instantly, what we will do. I'm going to tell one instant recipe that is called Instant Rava Idli. We will see what are the ingredients we need. We need 1 cup of rava. This is our upma rava and half cup curd, and we are going to use fruit salt. I need around 1 teaspoon. Instead of fruit salt, you can use baking soda. The first step for making rava idli, we need to take a bowl. We are going to transfer 1 cup of rava and half a cup curd. Add required amount of salt and mix well. After mixing with curd, you add water little by little like idli batter consistency. Now you can see our batter is ready. I took around half cup water. You just check your consistency as you need. We are going to keep this batter for 10 minutes resting time. If you want, you can make right now, but if you are resting for 10 minutes, it will give better results. At last, we will add our fruit salt. I will show after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I am going to add fruit salt. Just mix well. At this stage, if your batter is too tight, you can add little bit water. Now I am going to add around 1 tablespoon of water. Mix well. The one important thing to have to remember, after adding fruit salt, you should not rest for long time. You have to immediately transfer our idli batter to idli molds. Now I transfer my idli batter to idli molds. I am going to steam around 10 to 12 minutes. You can see now our fluffy idlis are ready like our normal idlis. You can see now our yummy idlis are ready like same our normal idlis. You can see how soft is it. I am serving with vada curry. You can enjoy with your favorite sambar or chutney. For me, around 1 cup of rava, it gives 12 idlis.
Thank you for watching, and if you like it, make sure you smash that like button and share with your friends so they can enjoy the same taste that you've had. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every single time we make a video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe. Peace.